Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 Excel Chapter 6 Prepare Part A Golf Data. Project description is Barry Cheney, manager of the Red Bluff to the Pro Shops, would like to develop the marketing, increasing the golf courses, and he golf to the activities of the past several years. He need to be able the exploring data the marketing have the learn of the customer performance after the analysis and data vary the parents to the boards and director. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So we move to the main project step is step number one. So step number one is start Excel download and open the file name Excel chapter 6 prepare golf data. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file Excel chapter 6 prepare golf data. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is converting the plan data. Set the Excel table and change the data, increasing the readability and provide easy way to explore the data with the filter and totals. On the Golf data worksheets, and create an Excel tables using the data in the range A9 to H39. Be sure indicate that the table has header and name the table is the golf data to the table property. On the golf data worksheets and create the Excel table using the data in the range A9 to H39. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the range A9 to H39. Be sure that indicate the table header and name the table list to the golf data. Insert the tables. So go to the insert tabs and click the tables and click OK. So insert the table and next is name the table is to the golf data. So copy the table name, go to the table designs tabs and go to the property group, click the table name is to the golf data and press enter. So question number 2 is complete and we can move to question number 3. So question number 3 is table style to the readability of an Excel tables and given its a look and feel that the matches to the branding of the company. Make the following changes to the golf data Excel table and apply the light yellow table style I2019. Sorry, table light yellow table style 19. Add the Totoro options. Apply the light yellow table style 19. Light yellow table style 19. Style light 19. Add the Totoro options. Go to the table design tabs and add the Totoro option and change the calculation to the H40 to the none. Select the cell H40 to the none and next is in the Totoro select the sum function of the cost and food order and party size column. Select the sum function of the cost. So select the cost column and click the sum function. And next is food order. So select the food order column and click the sum function. The food order is the sum function and party size column is the sum function. So select the party size column and click the sum function. Next is since every transaction will have transaction dates, counting these fields will provided accurate to counteth of the number of the records in the total row. Select the counter function to the forward date column. So in the total row, select the counter functions. So go to the table design tabs and the total row. At the total row, select the counter function in the date column. So select the date column with the counter function. So click the count, the counter function in the date column. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is creating the calculations in the Excel table required to use the structures table reference that are automatically applied to all row in the columns and automatically calculated when a new row of the data are added in the cell I9 column, the column heading to the text, and then in the cell I10 calculate the text each order by multiply by food order amounts by the cell text in array cell L9, and the reference to L9 will needs to be absolute cell reference format the entire text column, accounting and add the new records to the bottom of the table using the following data, and number is 201, dates, tea time, part size, and food order, and cost type, and scores and homesteads. So in the cell I9 create the new column heading is the text. The cell is I9 and new column, the column heading to the text. So the new column and column heading is the text. Press enter. So add the new column is text, and then in the cell I10 calculate the text on each order by multiplying the food order moved by the cell text rate in the cell L9. The reference to cell L9 will need to absolute the cell reference format the entire text, the contents, and non copy the formula down through I39. So type is equal to and select the food order multiply by food order and order by multiply the food orders amount of the text rate in a cell I9. Text rate in the cell L9, food order multiply by L9. L9 and apply the absolute cell reference, press F4 button and press enter. So the result is text column and copy the formula down through I39. Copy the formula already I39 and add the new record to the bottom of the table using the following data. We'll add the new record is the right clicks and click the inserts, and insert is number is 201 201. And next is date. So copy the date is 12/31/2025 and press enter. Press tab button and next is tea time. So copy the tea time and paste the tea time. Press tab button and next is part size 3. So part size 3 and press tab button. Next is food order 210.0. So select the food order and press tab button. So cost type is hotel. Cost type is hotel. Paste the hotel and press tab button. Next is course is 1 and press tab button. And last is homestead KY. Homestead is KY. So question number 4 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, fine arts, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignments and exam.